Meditation is the best self-defense. If you practiced like Chinese Kung Fu, Japanese Sumo, or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or Thailand Muay Thai, whatever you practiced, you will get very less chance to use them for self-defense. Maybe you will never get chances to use them for self-defense in your whole life. But if you practiced the meditation, then I guarantee you will get chances to use them for self-defense for every single moment. Why? Because we contact very less physical fight. Do you remember how many fights you have in your life since you're born until today? I don't think so you have so many fights. And what do you think? How many fights you will have in your future life? I don't think so there's that much fights you will have. But mentally, we are fighting every single moment. And we have been fighting since we were born until today. We have been fighting. We never stop that fight. Fight after fight, battle after battle. We never stopped. And we will never stop. We will never stop that fight until we died. So, the meditation is the best self-defense. Because you can use it every single moment to protect you this kind of misery fight, misery torture. Whatever you do, wherever you go, you can torture yourself anyway. For example, if you're stuck in a traffic jam, then you can start torture yourself so easily, so badly. Like, what hell is this? Why so many cars here? Why today? Why for me? You can torture so many ways, so badly, with anger and hatred, so and so. Not only the bad situation that you can torture yourself, even some good things happening around you, still you can torture yourself. Like you saw a guy riding a shiny Ferrari. Again, you can start to torture yourself. Actually, it is nice. Somebody have nice shiny Ferrari car. That's good. But you can jealous. And you can start torture yourself with greedy, jealous, and you can shout. It's loud. I know you are a bad guy. You are a bad guy. Maybe you stolen the money from somewhere. Maybe you are dealing with drugs. Maybe you cheat your partner. Anyway, you are a bad guy. You are a bad guy. I know. I don't like you. I hate you. Go to hell. So many ways you can torture yourself. There are tons of options there that you can torture yourself. You can torture anywhere. Even you are staying in a luxury hotel room, still you can torture. You can feel loneliness. You can feel emptiness. You can feel depression. You can torture yourself anywhere without any other's help. So that's why the meditation is the best self-defense. So whatever you're doing, wherever you go, whoever you are, you can practice the meditation for self-defense. It can use every single moment to protect you this kind of misery situation. And it could transform thousands and thousands misery situation to blessing moments. So I humbly request to all my friends, please practice the meditation every single morning, 5 to 10 minutes. It could save your life. Really.